Understanding, to cut one's losses, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, to cut one's losses. This expression is widely used in both business and everyday situations. It's a powerful phrase that can help you understand the concept of minimizing losses in various contexts. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. To cut one's losses is an idiom that means to stop an activity or investment that is losing money or time, in order to prevent further loss or damage. It's about recognizing when a situation isn't improving and deciding to withdraw before things get worse. This phrase can be applied to financial investments, business ventures, personal projects, or even relationships. The phrase, to cut one's losses, originally comes from the world of business and finance, where it was crucial to limit the impact of a bad investment. Over time, this practical advice has become a common saying, used in various situations to advise someone to end a failing endeavor before it leads to greater losses. 1. Investing. If a stock you've invested in is consistently losing value, you might decide to sell it to cut your losses, rather than hoping its value will increase again. 2. Business. A company may shut down a non-profitable branch to cut its losses and protect the overall health of the business. 3. Personal projects. If you're working on a project that's taking much more time and resources than anticipated without promising results, you might choose to stop working on it and focus on more productive tasks. 4. Relationships. Sometimes, people decide to end a relationship that's causing more harm than good, essentially cutting their losses to seek happiness elsewhere. After 2 years of losing money, we decided to cut our losses and close the shop. She realized the course wasn't benefiting her career, so she cut her losses and dropped out. Despite the effort we've put into fixing the car, it keeps breaking down. It might be time to cut our losses and sell it. In conclusion, understanding and using the phrase, to cut one's losses, can be incredibly useful in both personal and professional contexts. It teaches us the valuable lesson of recognizing when it's time to withdraw from a losing situation to prevent further loss. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, sometimes the best decision is to let go and move forward. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips.